Welcome back to online English class. This is Ventures Level 2, Lesson 13, which starts on May 18th. This is Part 3. This is the last video in Lesson 13. In this video, we're going to work on Unit 9, Lesson B, and we're going to work on past tense. You are probably watching this video between May 18th and June 2nd. This video was filmed on May 15th, 2020. So let's get started. So in the last video, we were talking about problems in the house. So I want you to finish Lesson A. So I want you to listen to the conversations here and answer the questions. Now we're going to move on to Lesson B. In Lesson B, we're going to practice how to ask for favors, request things. So in Unit 9, we learned how to use the word can to ask someone to do something for us, to ask for a favor. So, can you call a plumber, please? We use the word can to ask someone to do something for us. We ask someone to call a plumber for us. This is asking for a favor. Well, there are 4 words we can use. We can use the word can, could, will, or would. All of these words are the same, really. But we use all of these words when we want to ask for a favor. We want someone to do something for us. And we want to ask the question nicely. We want to be nice about it. So all of these words really are the same. They're just nice or polite ways to ask someone for help. Can you call a plumber, please? Or could you call a plumber, please? Will you call a plumber, please? Or would you call a plumber, please? All of these words are the same. You can use this one, this one, this one, and this one. They're the same. No difference. So here we can say, sure, I'd be happy to. I would be happy to. I would be happy to. Yes, of course. Or no, not now. Maybe later. Sorry, I can't right now. So that's it. This is Lesson B. We're just learning these 4 words for when we want to ask someone for help. So, can you help me? Could you help me? Will you help me? Would you help me? All of these are the same. Okay, so here we have 8 things we need to do in the house. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 says fix the dryer. Fix the dryer. So we can say, So we can say the dryer is broken. The dryer is broken. We need someone to fix the dryer. Or maybe the dryer is leaking. There's a leak. There's water coming out. The water is leaking. We don't know what's wrong with the dryer, but we need to fix the dryer. Okay, so here we have number 1. Could you fix the dryer, please? Yes, of course. Okay. Number 2, can blank, blank, blank. Number 2 says unclog the sink. So what's wrong with the sink? Well, the sink is clogged. It means there's something stopping the water from going. There is a clog. A clog is stopping the water from going out. So all of the water cannot go down the drain. The sink is clogged. So how do we fix the problem? We unclog the sink. Unclog means we take out the clog. We fix the clog. That's what unclog means. So, how do we ask someone for help? Can you unclog the sink, please? Number 3, clean the carpet. What's wrong with the carpet? Oh, it looks like it got dirty a little bit. It looks like there's a spill. So maybe someone spilled milk. Maybe it's milk. Someone spilled milk on the carpet. Someone spilled milk on the carpet last night. there is a spill. There is a spill on the carpet. Will you clean the carpet, please? Number 4. Repair the oven. So we know there's something wrong with the oven. So let's just say the oven is broken. The oven is broken. Can you repair the oven, please? So when I say the oven is broken, I mean it does not work. The oven does not work. It's broken. Number 5. Fix the lock. This is a lock. Maybe someone broke the lock. Maybe someone closed the door too hard and then they broke the lock. Or maybe it just doesn't work anymore, so it's broken. So, would you fix the lock? Number 6. Ooh, number 6 is a round hole in the window. And we know what makes a round hole in something. It's a baseball. The baseball broke the vase. So maybe the baseball broke the window. Who broke the window? I broke the window. He broke the window. We broke the window. The window is broken. Will you fix the window, please? Number 7, repair the dishwasher. Well, I see a lot of water everywhere. So, one of these things happened. It can be any of them. Maybe there was a clog. Maybe there was some food in the dishwasher and it clogged the dishwasher. Maybe the water spilled out everywhere. Maybe the water is leaking everywhere. The door isn't closed all the way, so the water keeps coming out. It's leaking. Or maybe the machine inside the dishwasher is broken. The dishwasher is broken. Can you repair or can you fix the dishwasher, please? Number 8, change the light bulb. If you change the light bulb, it's because the light bulb burned out. We only use this for light bulbs. The light bulb burns out is the present. The past tense is the light bulb burned out. The light bulb burned out last week. Could you change the light bulb? Okay, so now let's make a story for all of these pictures. So we have more information to tell the person who needs to fix it. Because the person fixing the dryer needs to know what's wrong. Why is the dryer broken? Why does it need to be fixed? So let's make a story by only speaking. Okay, so let's say yesterday I washed my clothes. I dried my clothes. This is the dryer, so you dry your clothes. Yesterday I dried my clothes, but when it finished, my clothes were still wet. When the dryer finished, my clothes were wet. So the dryer is not hot enough. It's not hot enough. I think the dryer is broken. I think the dryer broke yesterday. Can you fix the dryer, please? Number 2. Last night, I washed the dishes, but the dishes were really dirty. And I think there was some food in the sink. And I think the food clogged the sink. There's a clog in the sink now, and the water will not go. So last night, I clogged the sink. Now, I want you to give me a story for number 3. Number 3 looks like a spill. This might help you. A spill. Tell me a story for number 3. Okay, my story is yesterday or last Tuesday, I had my nephew over. My nephew is a 3-year-old little boy. He likes to drink milk. He had a glass of milk and he spilled it on the carpet. He spilled his milk on the carpet. Can you clean the carpet, please? Number 4. Tell me a story about number 4. Okay, my story is last month I was baking in the kitchen. I was baking vegetables. I was baking vegetables, and I think some vegetables fell onto the inside of the oven, and I think they burned. So I think this smoke is coming from the vegetables I baked last month. Can you fix the oven, please? I think the oven is broken because of the vegetables inside. They're very old, and I think they catch fire every time. So I want you to tell me stories for 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tell me stories in the past tense. Tell me what's wrong, what did you do, when did it happen, and then ask someone to fix it. Okay, now we're looking at page 113. Page 113. So we have this picture here. It's kind of funny, actually. So there's a lot of things wrong in this house. There's so many things broken in this house. Okay. So we have problems to fix. And we have someone here who can fix the problems. So let's see what's wrong with this house. Number 1, fix the window. What's wrong with the window? Tell me, what's wrong with the window? The window is broken. There's a break in the window. Maybe a bird flew through the window. Maybe it was a baseball or a soccer ball or something. Something broke the window. So we need someone to fix the window. Could you fix the window, please? Okay. Number 2, repair the refrigerator. Repair the fridge. What's wrong with the fridge? Look down here. What's wrong with the fridge? There's water coming out of the fridge. So we can say the fridge is leaking. It's leaking right now. The fridge is leaking. There's water coming out. Will you fix the fridge, please? Number 3, unclog the sink. Oh, here's the sink here. So, where's my marker? Where's my pen? So, this is called the faucet. The faucet. The faucet is the handle you use to turn on water. So a faucet, okay. So let's pretend this is my sink and this is the faucet. I turn the handle and then the water comes out. That's where the water comes out of the sink, at the faucet. Okay. So this is the sink. This is the faucet where the water comes out. There's a lot of water coming out fast. What's wrong with the sink? Okay, so let's talk about the difference between a leak and a spill. A leak is where water or juice or milk or some kind of liquid comes out slowly. So it's just a little bit of water, 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 again and again. Just a little bit of water every time. A spill is that. Oh no. That is a spill where everything comes out fast. I'll clean that up later. I'll clean it later. Okay. So here, it looks like a lot of water is coming out fast. It's coming out quickly. So we say this is a spill. The water is spilling out of the sink. Why is the water spilling out of the sink? Well, because the sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. There's a clog in the sink, so the water is spilling out. So, can you fix the clog, please? Can you unclog the sink, please? Number 5. Repair the oven. Repair the oven. Girl, that oven is on fire. You should not be in the house. Okay, so there is smoke coming out of the oven, and there are people inside the house. This house is going to burn. Okay. There's smoke coming out of the oven, so she burned something. Can you repair the oven, please? Okay, can you call 911, please? So, can you fix the oven? Can you repair the oven? Is what they want you to ask. But it doesn't look very safe. Okay. Number 6. Fix the front burner. Okay, so a burner. A burner is something on a stove. Where's my pen? So, this is the stove where you cook food with the fire. These black circles where you can put pots and pans on them, these are called burners. They burn? Anyways, you can put things on them to cook. So the front burners are the one on the front. The front burners are the one closer to you. The ones far away from you are called the back burners. So she needs someone to fix the front burner. Would you fix the front burner, please? So the front burners, the black circles close to you, are the ones that do not work. She needs someone to fix them. Number 7, fix the light. Okay. Well, the light is working, so it's not burned out, but it looks a little It's not straight, it's not even. So we need someone to turn it this way so it's even and straight. So can you just fix the light for me? The light bulb is working. The light bulb is not burnt out, but the lamp light it's crooked. It needs to be straight. It's not even. It's like this, but it needs to be like this. So can you just fix the light? Number 8, the cabinet drawer. I don't like this word either. How do you pronounce it? Drawer. Or drawer? Drawer? Something like that? Drawer. So this is a drawer. You pull it out. So the cabinet drawer is broken. So she broke the cabinet drawer. Would you fix the cabinet drawer for me, please? Thanks. Number 9, repair the lock. Okay, so the door to the bathroom, there's a key. So that means there's a lock. The lock to the bathroom is not working. Could you fix the bathroom lock for me? Number 10, fix the outlet. Over here, there is an outlet. This is called an outlet. What's wrong with the outlet? Well, if you look very close at the picture, you can see there is electricity coming out of the outlet. It's going bzz, bzz, bzz. That's not good. That's very, very bad. Could you fix the outlet, please? It doesn't look good. There's electricity coming out. If you touch that, you will get shocked. And that's very bad. So, I don't know what she's paying him, but he needs to be paid a lot of money for all of these problems. Because that's dangerous. This will burn the house. Let's see. This will flood the house. There's a lot of water coming out of here and here. Yeah, it's no good. This is pretty bad. Do you want to live here? I don't want to live here. Okay, so let's look at the bottom. Here, it looks like we have to make a list of requests for the landlord. We have some problems in our house that we need to fix. Requests. A request is you ask someone to do something. The landlord is the person who owns the house or apartment. The landlord is the person who owns the house or the apartment. If you look here, a tenant is someone who rents the apartment or house. This is the person who pays money to live in the house or apartment. The landlord is the person who owns the house. So this is the person who gets the money. Usually the landlord is the person who fixes everything too. So requests for the landlord. You're asking the landlord to fix something in the house. You're asking the landlord to fix something in the house. So here it says, fix the window. So this is a list of requests. So what else needs to be fixed? Here's one. Fix air conditioner. Fix air conditioner. That happens a lot. So these are requests you need to ask your landlord. So how would you ask them? You would ask, can you fix the window? Can you fix the air conditioner? That's what you do to ask. You use the words can, could, will, or would. These 4 words, they are the same. It does not matter which one you use. You can use any of them, it's okay. So that is the end of lesson 13. When you finish, make sure you tell me or the person who sends you the text messages, tell me and them when you finish lesson 13. And make sure you do the homework, okay? You can show me too. Oh, and fix your house. So this doesn't happen. This is not good. Fix your house. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.